Sir,
What happened?
Inspector is on the way to our station, sir.
The world is the same for both humans and animals. When some lust-crazed humans turn into animals, if a policeman catches them, he will put them in jail. But I'm not like that. Only if punishments are severe will crimes decrease. Yes, I'm Ajmal, Inspector of Police. Transfers are not new to me. Usually, I finish the cases that come to me myself. This case came to me after 6 months of suspension. It didn't seek any conclusion. Hello?
Ajmal, in your jurisdiction, they have committed double murder. For the investigation, I have appointed you as a special officer. Join right now and report immediately.
Okay, sir. I'll start immediately.
Sir, they have committed double murder, sir. They have brutally assaulted and killed them, sir. Among the deceased, one is Arjun, sir. One more is the Spars MD, Austin, sir. One more is unconscious in the hospital. His name, Alex. Treatment is going on, sir.
Come, let's go.
Hello. Please wait here. Please don't enter inside.
Which location?
Investigation is going on.
Second floor, sir.
Answer me all the questions.
Silence.
Where are the dead bodies?
Bodies has been sent to postmortem, sir. Doctor will be informing to you shortly, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
In here, sir.
You all stay outside only.
Okay, sir.
Ensure you collect all the evidences. And I don't want the crime scene to be contaminated, yeah?
Okay, sure, sir.
Hello? Yeah, sir. Okay, sir. Doctor is online, sir.
Hello, doctor.
Hello.
Is he stable?
No, Steve. Heavy dose. We have to wait for 48 hours more for him to be conscious.
Okay, thank you. Who was the one who saw it first?
Sir, office cleaning staffs were the ones to see. Should I call them once, sir?
Can you assemble everyone who actually works here?
Okay, sir.
And also, I want the list of all the employees working here.
Yes, sir.
And do it as soon as possible.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
Only this much, huh?
2 or 3 numbers absent, sir.
When are they going to come?
Within 2 days.
Okay. Sir, these are the staffs, sir.
Sit down, please. Please sit. Who all are seniors here? How many years you are working here?
I'm working since 3 years, sir.
What's your name?
Pratima.
Pratima, out of these people, I want to know who all are staff.
All these are newly recruited staff, sir. They are working in the intern period, sir.
Is Arjun your client?
No, sir. He's our model.
So if it's a spa, what is the model doing here?
Our owner is not running only spa. He is running a model agency also. He is running a beauty pageant also. And not only that, he is doing lot of ramp shows also. So that for our models, they will get elite client contacts also. And they will grow in the fashion industry. And they will get an amount to survive also. And due to this, our business will really go on well. So it's like a win-win theory.
Take your seats, please.
Okay, sir.
Are the CCTVs working here? I need the footages.
Sir?
Money,
Sir?
please go check the footages.
Okay, sir. Come on.
Wait. Ask.
Sir, leaving the two people who died, he's the third person who was inside is the murderer. Was this murder done for a girl, sir?
After coming back to work, what do you respond about this case, sir?
Guys. I'm not a writer. I'm not a gambler. Without proper investigation and evidences, just because you guys are asking so many questions, I cannot tell you nonsense. Got it? That's it. Thank you. Yeah. Let's move. Let's move.
Sir, there was an inquiry on you. What happened, sir?
It's not yet over. The one who died, he was my neighbor.
Oh, sorry, sir.
No. Why are you sorry? I shot him intentionally. He was supposed to die.
Hello?
Hey, that girl present in that video.
Yeah.
I was the one who told she's Arjun's lover. What should I do right now?
Sir, a girl saying Arjun's lover has come to the spot, sir. What to do now, sir? Let her come to station.
No. Let her not come there. You make her sit in the nearby coffee
Okay,
shop.
sir.
Make sure not to leak any information to
Okay,
the
sir.
media. No. Please sit. Hey. Hey, are you okay? You need to calm down. Have some water, please. Look at me. Anyway, you have to tell me something.
Arjun, Alex.
Hey. Tell him.
You tell.
Shut up and you tell him.
Please.
Ask Arjun to follow me. I'm going. Tell him to be careful.
Hey, Alex.
You guys are constantly quarreling. Why are you guys together right now?
Hey, tell him.
Alex, we wanted to... Hey, you only tell him.
Okay, I will only tell him. The thing is, since childhood we have all been together, then we didn't know anything. But got to know only now the reason behind the fight between us.
You guys keep talking. I'll go get the bike, okay?
Hey, wait!
Hey, what?
Huh? What I wanted to say is, I'm in love with Arjun. Wait, Arjun, I'm coming!
Start the vehicle.
Bro, you have been roaming around thinking about photo shoots and all. I've been observing you closely. I don't think she's perfect for you, man.
Hey, how will it happen? You tell me, man.
Bro, if my friend is a cinema hero, I'm very proud of it, man. But why are you roaming around as model and all, man?
Hey, you have been watching all nonsense movies. That's why you don't know what is modeling, man. Today, the heroes that you see in the movies, they were also models like me.
Okay, you can go now.
Hey, you also come with me.
Ayo, your mustache uncle will be mocking around. I can't bear that. You leave me alone. I'll meet you later.
Hey, you got caught. That's all. Hey, phone is ringing. Can't you take?
Hey, I was in the middle of a photo shoot. Mom, I didn't know this. You didn't tell me before.
After everything finished, he has come. I don't know why he has come also. Hey, just leave that. Come here. Hey, even we don't know, Ra. Uncle bought them suddenly. I was feeling so shy, you know.
Do you like him?
Hey, what if I lied, Telda? Okay, listen. Amma is very angry on you. You console her. There are so many kids in this village. Even I have got one. He is a waste fellow. When people are coming to see his own sister, he is roaming everywhere for photo shoots. Huh. The guy who came didn't even say he don't like her. He said he likes her. They're asking 15 pounds gold. What will I do? Your father left me halfway. He is one waste fellow. Mom, don't scold my brother. My brother takes care of me well only. Hey, you shut your mouth, yeah. He can't even give 2,000 a month and you are caring for him. Until I can, I will do. When I can't, I and my kids will drink poison and die.
Okay, I'll come back.
Take this pen and try to sell it within 5 minutes. In that case, I will appoint you.
Sir, if this pen is with a judge, it'll give a good judgment. If it's in a doctor's hand, it will give lot of prescriptions. In case if it is a writer, it will give lot of good knowledge. Now if the pen is in your hand, it would change the fate of lot of guys who are looking for job like me. Please buy it, sir.
Living behind his passion, Arjun went in search of a job for his family, but he was not sure of getting one. Even though he went for a job, his passion about modeling kept him tensed. He was always stressed out. Whenever there is a problem, the only place he went for
What happened right now?
I am the problem here. I feel like I'm mad. I can't go to these jobs anymore. Hey, I want to become a model.
So what now? Oh, your girl told that you're beautiful, don't go to job and all. First think about your sister's wedding, then you can do whatever you want.
Hey, no, brother. I've made my decision. I'll talk to my girlfriend about this, but you have to talk to my parents and somehow convince them, man. Please do this.
You have to talk about your problems, brother. You have all the things in your life. That's the reason you don't know the value. Only I know the value of it. Please go out.
Hey, Alex. Please do this. Please understand my feelings. Please, dude.
Hey, get out, man.
Shit.
Hey, your guy is coming.
Why is your shirt so dirty?
Nothing.
Huh? I can see it in your face only. Tell me what happened.
I just fell down.
You fell down. You got hurt or what?
No, nothing.
Why are you sad? What's your problem now?
I'm not able to do this marketing job, Ananya. Wherever I go, I keep thinking about modeling. I'm not able to do anything. I feel like I should die now.
Chee! Are you not ashamed to talk like this? Your father would have left you all for the trust he had on you, right? Also, your sister loved you so much that she always spoke about you, right? And also your mother. She has started telling everybody that just because you got a job, they are able to live happily now. You're not worried about us at all. You're just worried about yourself. Look, Arjun, I'm not expecting anything that a girl expects basically also. No girls like a person who has no trust. It is the same here. Try to understand, Arjun. I understand your situation. First of all, stop behaving like a small boy. Everything will go well. Shall we leave?
Let's go.
Nobody can predict that this day will change our life forever. Same happened with me. Just because I was angry, I thought I'll take him to the regular place we went to console him. And because I had his phone, I saw his mail first.
What happened, Ananya? I told you I'll go to this job, right? Then why are you upset even now? Let's finish Anu's marriage now. After that, we can think about us. Now, please come, Ananya. Let's go. It's getting late now. What happened?
You have become model now.
The person you're trying is not reachable. Please try after. The person you're trying is not reachable.
What happened?
I'm trying to call Alex. He's not picking the call.
Oh, yeah. Alex hasn't come yet.
Hey bro, you please leave, man. Bus has come.
Before going, I thought I'll talk to him once. Without meeting him, how can I go, man?
That and all I'll handle. You leave now.
Wait, no.
Huh?
I will try calling him.
Hey, please leave me, man. Please leave.
Where are you from?
Leave me, man.
you here?
Alex.
What are you looking at?
No. Please,
You showed me your colors, right?
don't harm me.
You die.
No. Let me go. No.
Die, man!
Hey, Alex.
Tell me,
Hey bro,
Can't
come
you
here.
receive phone calls?
what's
You
the
tried
issue
so
right
many
now?
times. Did he pick the
Arjun
call?
is
As
leaving
soon as
now.
she called him, he picked it up. As the way you think Alex is not good, man. He's flirting with your girl.
Hey! He's my friend. Not just for me, even for her. Since childhood, we three have been together itself. Don't you know that? If you talk about him like this one more time, I'll kill you.
Hey, leave me, man. You're fighting for him and questioning me here. What do you mean by friend, man? If he is friend, what about me? Don't go blind calling him as friend. One day he'll backstab you. Then you'll understand. If I tell you,
Hey.
you won't understand. Hey,
Hey.
get lost, man.
What happened to you?
Just leave him. What did Alex say?
He's held up with some work, it seems.
Thought of meeting him once before leaving.
Okay, forget it. Now you leave. He will call you. That day Arjun was upset as Alex did not come. But I really don't know why Alex had not come.
Sir,
Yes.
a model named Arjun is waiting, sir. Can I call him inside, sir?
Bring him inside.
Okay, sir. Thank you. You can go inside.
Okay.
Sit down.
Sir.
Arjun, do you know why I selected you?
Sir?
You have the ability for this job. Can you stand up, please? Wow. Good. Nice physique. Good personality. Sit. Arjun, your starting salary is 50,000 rupees. Plus, you'll get incentives. Is that good enough for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will give you an appointment letter. Naveen, come inside the cabin.
Sir,
Come in. Naveen, this is Arjun,
Sir.
newly appointed. Take care of
I
him.
will take care, sir. Please come.
Naveen,
Sir?
tell Buddhi to train Arjun properly.
Sure, sir. Okay.
Good luck, Arjun.
Thank you.
So, this is Arjun, our new trainee at level 1. Sir told you to train him for the event.
What's your name?
I'm Arjun, sir.
Where are you from?
I'm from Trichy.
Yeah, okay.
Buddhi sir, everybody's
Take it.
details are with me only. Including Arjun, you have to
Yeah,
train 10
okay.
people, sir. Shall I
Shall we
send
go?
them, sir?
Come. Just bring them.
Please
Okay,
come
sir.
with me.
Now I have got job. I'm happy is what he said to me, sir.
After that?
I was really happy that Arjun got his dream job. After a few days, I saw Alex.
What happened to the tire, man?
to the movie
Change it as soon as
Hey,
possible.
what
I
are you
don't know what to
saying?
do right
No, then
now.
what's
Let's
the
see what
problem?
happens.
That's what I
Ananya.
was trying to say.
I'll go back. Okay, dear, you
Ah,
talk and
okay.
come.
Hey, Alex, what are you doing here?
Nothing.
Oh, Alex, I wanted to show you something. Where is it? Ah, look here. How's it? Wonderful, right?
What is that photo?
Nothing at all.
If it's nothing, show it to me.
No.
Will you show it to me or not? I
Hey.
told you to show it to me.
Hey,
this
give
is
back
it.
my phone.
I will teach her a lesson.
Give it to me. Get lost.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, stop it, man. Hey, take your hands, man. When I told him no, he didn't believe me.
Hey, I know about him very well. Yeah, Yeah, he does yeah, a lot yeah. of I politics. know that, you know. I know that. What's the next plan? Are we dealing with some show? I am also seeing, yeah, my MD is not even telling anything. What's the next plan? What happened?
Like always, I thought Arjun is calling normally and received, but
Hello.
yeah, tell me.
You're also not true to me, right?
What are you saying?
Hey, don't try to act.
Arjun is the person who was never angry. For the first time, he started scolding me very badly. That too, saying all bad things about me and Alex together. I couldn't believe that Arjun was talking to me. I don't know who told him what. Since then, he stopped talking to me. After that, I couldn't contact Arjun at all. Somehow, I got to know his location. I thought if I take Alex to him, all the problems would be solved. When I called Alex, he firstly refused to come. But
Show me the meaning of being lonely. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na.
I'm not interested.
Hey! Drink it. Where did you go?
I will go wherever I wish. Get lost.
You're a big CBCID to investigate things. I care about Arjun more than you, okay? But not now. I'll take a decision right now.
What decision?
I can't leave you in this situation. That is it.
That night, me and Alex left, sir. Oh God, such a big building. My man was so handsome then, but now he's working in such a big company.
Okay, wait here. I'll ask.
He made me to wait outside and he said he'll bring Arjun. But I don't know what happened.
Didn't you understand what I said? Leave now, leave. These people won't be having work to do.
Hey,
Wait. I think he went outside for an important job. You wait for him.
Arjun has gone out with MD. Now you leave. I will bring him is what Alex said, sir. I trusted him and I left immediately from there, sir.
So, that night Alex was not with you?
No, sir. I was all alone. Came and waited in room for long time, but they both didn't come at all. Alex was also not reachable. Later in news, I came here when I saw the news, sir.
Sir, I got a call from hospital.
What?
Tomorrow we can collect post-mortem report, it seems.
We can send this girl now. During inquiry, we can call her back.
Okay, sir.
Arjun! Arjun!
Hey, you stand here only. What are you saying? Hey, Ananya. Arjun lost his life because of you only. Where is Alex? How come Alex can kill Arjun? He came along with you only. You just considered him as friend, no? Have it. Check this.
May I?
Yeah, please come in.
Yeah. Special Officer Ajmal.
Hi, sir.
Nice meeting you.
Please, sir. Take this.
Thank you.
Alex has brought this one for your birthday gift. You avoided speaking to him. I don't know. Alex has to come back.
Yeah, tell me, doctor.
It's too complicated, sir. To do the post-mortem, we worked very hard. According to the report, Alex came to the spot when Arjun was killed. The individual who has killed has used two kinds of weapons. We can see such marks on the body. According to my guess, initially the accused has attacked with first weapon. Once when he drops the first weapon, since he had taken drugs, he fell down. After 3 hours only, the accused gained consciousness. But there Austin saw him unconscious. After that, he used a second weapon in order to kill Austin. In this case, if Arjun, he thought he was not dead. In spite of knowing not that, he brutally attacked him. So, Alex was the one who killed both of them. Why is she calling me right now? Hello?
Hello. Sir, it is me,
Ah.
Ananya.
Wait, sir is here. I'll give it to him. Sir, the girl wants to talk, sir.
Hello?
Sir, I feel that Alex would have not killed Arjun because of me, sir.
Why? How can you say that?
Arjun fell in love with me just because of Alex only, sir. And I'm getting to know that only now, sir. Arjun spoke with nobody here because there might have been some other reason, sir.
Okay, I'll check that.
Sir, where should we go right now?
Let's go to the spot.
Okay, sir. Ajmal sir, the drugs used by them is very rare. The body of the murdered people, they have the same tattoo. So, Alex is the one who killed them.
Money, report file.
I'll give it to you, sir. So, give it to me, sir. Sir.
Kannan,
Sir,
I need the details about this tattoo. Yeah.
Yes. I was the one who killed Arjun.
I took care of both of them like my own children, sir. But I didn't know Alex will murder him.
I was the
this
one
Arjun
alone
is a really good
who
person.
He
wants the
was
youth.
always
I don't think
telling that
Alex
he
is
was
the
going
right
to
man.
now Caesar is
Yes,
photo
sir.
is
Till we have
Maybe
the
Alex is the one
in this
who
modeling
killed
field in
I
order to
don't
kill
know what
Arjun.
I'm
You
very sure about
can
this.
earn a lot of money.
When I look into Alex's records, I
Sir,
think he's the one who might have killed him. He's a pretty local gangster, sir. And he might have planned this one.
Please leave us, sir.
He alone who wants the youth gains the future. Till you have the youth in this modeling field, you can earn a lot of money. Sir? Sir? Sir, according to us, they're not doing modeling, sir. They're doing escort services using boys, sir.
Ashok Nagar, Front View Street.
Do you suspect anyone in this case?
Everything is
I
clear.
doubt about my wife, sir.
Everything is clear.
I asked about Arjun's case.
Sorry, sir. It's not about suspicious, sir. I have some doubts about Arjun, sir. Doctor told us that Alex was the one who killed. They fabricated a lie. But Arjun's lover, Ananya, she's arguing that Alex is not the killer. I think between them there's something going on between them, sir. Sir, did you observe one more thing? Arjun was a good-looking guy and a model too. Sir, there's so much happened in that spa, but the people over there, they have no clue about it, sir. I'm curious about it, sir.
We should not be going behind Alex. He is actually with us, right? We should get more information about Arjun.
Sir, he's actually lying in the mortuary right now. Why is he laughing sarcastically? Oh, maybe he's coming in that route, huh?
Tell ma what exactly happened. Madam, I was going in
Sir.
the night. That's
Sir, Karthik from
suddenly,
Cybercrime has arrived.
This happened, ma'am. I didn't even know that. This
Excuse me, sir.
Come, Karthik. Please sit.
yeah, ma'am.
Sir, pen drive.
Money?
Did you go
Take
that
it.
side? Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
I was
this is
going
it,
that
huh?
side only.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir,
Okay,
as you said, the details retrieved from Arjun mobile is this, sir.
have any proof
I
for
could only record original audios and videos from it, sir. That's all.
Anything useful?
Sorry, sir. Past 3 months' data I couldn't retrieve at all, sir. Because everything in the cloud has been encrypted, sir. I couldn't tell this footages is going to be useful to you, sir. But I have tried my best.
Did you see the suspect?
Can we get any information about Arjun's activities?
Sir, it's very simple. There will be an application called Google Activity in every mobile. When I found it out in his mobile, I couldn't find any mistakes from Arjun's side, sir. And also, it contained lot of modeling videos, sir. And one more thing. He has spoken a lot about Buddhi, a person. Maybe he might be a big person in a fashion industry. A kind of mentor. Maybe he is the guy who helps you.
What name did you say?
Buddhi.
You can leave.
Thank you, sir. Hey, baby. Hey. What happened? It's been heaven. Nice. So sweet. I'll go fresh up and come. You can wait in the car.
Okay.
Okay? I'm the handsome guy. I'm the handsome guy. Baby, shall we go?
Yeah, definitely.
Take the
circle, you idiot. The most difficult thing to explain in this world is friendship. Yes, friendship. It is not something you learn in school. But if you haven't learned the meaning of true friendship, sorry to say this, you haven't learned anything. Tell me. I know one side of the details about Arjun. I want to know the other side. The ugly side.
Sir, I'll let you know, sir. I'll tell you, sir.